Hello, Mario! In this video I'm going to take a look at my worksheet 002 on time. A quick look at the worksheet shows that the worksheet is in two parts. One is what is the title of this picture, and in this worksheet we are required to add minutes and seconds, divide minutes and seconds, and just here hours and subtract. So that's all we're dealing with there is minutes and seconds. On the second part of the second worksheet, Doctor, I feel like a curtain, and Doctor, I feel like a dog, we've got some conversions here from days to hours and days to minutes. So these ones tend to be more conversions, whereas these here are calculations. So let's, first of all, we know that when we add these up, so the first one here is quite simple because we can add the seconds to get 55 seconds, and so 5 minutes 55. We can look up here and see the answers. But if we look at this one here, we can see that if we add 50 and 32, the seconds, that'll give us 82 seconds, which that would mean 82 seconds. We have to take 60 off that to give us 22 left, and then add one more minute. So 15 and 18 is 23, plus 1 is 24 minutes, 22 seconds. And yes, we've got an answer of that magnitude here. Now, in my view, the best way to do this is to actually work from right to left. So do the seconds first and then the minutes and so on across if you had hours and things going on. Obviously, division and things like that are a different story again, and you need to perhaps work out some strategies to deal with them. Now, there are a number of strategies that we can look at here, and first of all, I wanted to look at just a calculator. This is just a straight time calculator here, which enables us just to add and subtract time. There's a number of other calculators available on the site that may be quite useful later on with other worksheets and things. So let's just have a look at this one, perhaps the trickier one, or perhaps the subtraction one here. So it's quite a simple matter of just putting in the 10 minutes and 30 seconds in here, 30, and then we might want to subtract, so let's put the subtraction in here like that, and then we want to subtract 8 minutes and over here 18 seconds, and then we just go calculate, and that gives us 2 minutes and 12 seconds. And yes, we've got an answer there, 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Now, as you can see for this calculator here, our options are only plus and minus. So when we come to do division and multiplication, it's not going to cut it. So I've found another calculator here, which is I put in by searching for time calculations, division, multiplication. So this one here works slightly differently, but I've got it already loaded here. 1 minute 32 seconds in here, and we want to multiply that by 4. So it's important that you click here what sort of result you want. So I'm just going to tick minutes and seconds there. That's what we want the result, because we're not branching into hours, and then we can just multiply. So that's what we'll just hit the multiply button, and there you are. We get 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Okay, and we can just check up in the thing there for 6 minutes and 8 seconds. So there you are. We have two different calculators, one for adding, one for multiplying. Now, if we just move over to the other side of the worksheet, and we, as I said earlier, that this one here is just more of a calculation one, so we can just use the straight Google. 168 hours, 2 days, and there it is. This is the 168 hours. I think it's in here somewhere. Oh, there it is, 168 hours to days. That's for the C. So 168 hours is 7 days. So where we have everywhere we have a 7, we're going to have a C. So there's a 7 there. I could try another one. Let's say 2 years into months. Oh, I don't quite know whether that will do that, but we'll try. Let's see what options we've got here. Yes, we have years, and we can put get rid of that one and put in a 2. So 2 years would be 730 days, but we want it in months. So 2 years, months, and enter. Yeah. Oh, okay. I've deleted the thing here. So we'll just put 2 there. 2 years, 24 months. We did know that, I hope. So then we look up here for 24, yes, and that's where we would put an O. 104 weeks, 540 minutes. Let's have a look at that. So 540 minutes, minute, 540, and that's in months. Minutes, we want that in 540 minutes in hours. So let's put it up, click on the hours, and that's 9 hours. Perhaps we want to know how long we've been alive, so we could go for years, and we could go 6. Well, I've been longer than that. Or perhaps I could be more honest and 60, and that would be 525,600 hours in 60 years, and we could go right down to seconds, and that's 1.892 times 10 to the 9th. Perhaps we'll go for minutes. No, we're not getting it. That's sort of an hour. Back to there, 525,600. So there you are. There's a few calculators and things that you could use to confirm these sort of things. Easily available on the net. And as I say, you could fill out the worksheet using PDF functionality, or you can just fill it out by hand and scan and email it to me, Mario.